My name is Jay Adams. I'm the operations manager at Fitzwater Tree and Lawn Care. We're located in Greenville, Ohio. We've been in business for 75 years. We currently have 150 employees here at Fitzwater Tree. We've experienced a tremendous amount of growth over the past 12, 15 years, and we're highly regarded for the service in which we do in the area. Over the course of time, we've had a wide variety of chippers. We recently, over the past couple of years, went to the Bandit 12XPC unit. That is the majority of our chippers. We are currently in the phasing out process of other chippers and going to a one-source product, which is the Bandit. While we're out in the field, the chipping is very quick, very efficient, and very reliable. Our mechanics find it to be much easier than any other chipper that they have worked on. Also, the blade changes. That's a big part of our maintenance program around here. With the Bandit chipper, it's a lot easier than any other product that we've ever tried in the past. Price is not everything, but Bandit is a very competitive piece of equipment when it comes to negotiating cost and prices. But more importantly, they just seem to outlast and outperform any other chipper that we've ever had here in the past.